The fate of the nearly 24 Cuban migrants who led a standoff with the Coast Guard at a lighthouse in the Keys. Do you remember that? Well, their fate remains up in the air. Right now, they continue to live on a Coast Guard cutter as local advocates fight in court to let them stay. Our senior political reporter, Michael Putney, was right there at the court battle today. Michael.
Lori, this was a very lengthy, very intense court hearing. It ended just about 30 minutes ago with Judge Darren Gale saying that he needs 2 to 3 weeks before he can issue a ruling on whether these 23 Cuban migrants who landed at the American Shoals Lighthouse down in the Keys, whether they will get to stay in the U.S. or be sent back to Cuba. The attorneys for those Cubans say they consider this a kind of partial victory.
We're very grateful for the court to giving the kind of consideration this case needs. It's a very important case. This judge is giving it the full consideration it needs.
When Judge Gales advised that this was important not just for our clients but potentially for others, and that he wanted an appropriate amount of time to make the right decision, that's what we expect a good judge like Judge Gales to do.
We tried to speak with Assistant U.S. Attorney Dexter Lee as he left court. He had argued that the Cubans should be repatriated. Judge Gale says, again, it's going to take 2 to 3 weeks to make the decision. In the meantime, he has requested that these Cuban migrants either remain on a Coast Guard cutter or in U.S. custody, not be sent back to Cuba. That is the latest from the U.S. District Court in Miami. Michael Putney, Local 10 News.
Okay,